So we're here today in the Oh no, I forgot it. So we're here today at the FAW to find out how A-level Welsh can help you with a job in the future.
So, croeso'r FAW.
Inti Cymraeg yn ddefnyddiol.
Defnyddiol iawn, dim ond i wneud y swydd tu allan fel mae lot o cefnogwyr ni yn siarad Cymraeg, mae'n rhywbeth bwysig o ran fawr o bywydau nhw. Felly os ni'n danfon negeseuon mas yn y Cymraeg, maen nhw'n teimlo mwy agos i be ni'n neud wedyn, so mae'n bwysig. Yeah.
What inspired you to take Welsh A-levels?
When I was kind of your age, I had no idea what I wanted to do job-wise, but I thought, do you know what, I'll just do what I enjoy. And if you enjoy learning Welsh, then it's definitely something I think you should pursue, because if you enjoy it, you're more likely to want to put time and effort into it and more likely to succeed.
I'm thinking of being a Welsh athlete. How do you think the Welsh language would have an impact on me?
Definitely a benefit for you. For starters, speaking Welsh, I mean, if you're doing media interviews, people will be like, oh, can you do an interview in Welsh? And that'll help you get more recognition. If you have media opportunities, then if they know you speak Welsh, a lot of people will be regulars on Welsh language, and it helps them as well then get opportunities in English. Because like, oh, they've done a few shows, they know they're comfortable, and so it's great opportunities after your sports career as well.